Hey, this is Mike, and in this video, I will show you how you can create events to go along with alerts that you create on a ScienceLogic SL1 dynamic application. In the previous video, we created the alerts on the AWS Billing Performance dynamic application. So we'll go ahead and wrench that, go over to the Alerts tab, and we can see the two alerts that we have here. When the bill is below $5, and we already have an alert saying that the bill was over $5, we'll get this alert. And here, when the bill exceeds $5, we'll get this alert. Now, we won't actually see this on the events console because there's no event associated with it. In ScienceLogic SL1, we have alerts, which we're looking at right now, and these go into the device log. And then we have events, which is what your NOC will be working from and what you can use to send over to ITSM systems and so on and so forth. So in this case, we can tell that we have no events because it says no events right there. So let's go ahead and create one. We can click on where it says no events to create a new one directly from the dynamic application page. Now it defaults to a major event. This is probably not something that I want to be set as major. In fact, I may want to have a series of these, so as the bill gets larger, the severity will increase. But for right now, I really just want a notice level event. Operation state enabled, event source dynamic, fills in all of these important things for you. But one thing that it doesn't fill in, that's very important to note, is %M, capital M. And that will make sure that it fills in whatever we have in the log message right here, so you don't have to maintain two versions of that. Go ahead and click Save. And here it is. So now, if we were to reset this page, it will show us that we do have events for that. So I have a notice level event when the bill goes over $5. What about a healthy event when it goes under? Again, we'll click over to create a new event. Change the event severity from the default major to healthy. Add %capital M and click Save. Now, one more thing that we want to do. The way that we have it set up right now, both of these events can exist at the same time. I actually want this healthy event to clear the major event. So I'll go over to the Advanced tab. And where it says Auto Clear, I'm going to search for my new AWS billing. I'm going to set that up. And I always like to do this from both locations. And there we have it. That is how you create an event on an existing alert from a dynamic application in ScienceLogic SL1.